5 EMS 3 respond, Brookwood and Allwood Road, motor vehicle accident with injury involving one of our police officers. Again, engine 5 EMS 3 respond, Brookwood and Allwood, motor vehicle accident with injuries involving one of our officers. ALS be notified, times 1912.
EMS 3 is going.
Received EMS 3, 1913.
5 going.
G5, 1915. Alarmed engine 5.
Go ahead, engine 5.
How close are you guys?
Like 5 seconds.
I receive.
Entrapment?
PD is calling to step it up.
We're on.
Receive.
Alarm, ALS 103.
Go to alarm 103.
Good evening, sir. Responding across to Allwood. Just to update when you get it.
Yeah, I'll give you guys a... You can step it up if you can.
EMS 3 is on.
I received EMS 3. ALS is looking for an update. Just let us know when you get a chance.
Received. A2 to alarm. You know how many injuries, or should we start a second BLS?
A2, we're trying to get further.
Fire alarm, engine 5.
Engine 5, Gad.
We have one patient. We also have a vehicle into a house. Minor damage.
Alright, received. What's the condition of the patient?
We're still assessing.
See.
ALS coming to Allwood. Go to 103. Just an update. This was a pedestrian struck as a result. In the process of trying to get an airway. Okay, we just hit Route 3 from 17. What is that, Route 3 and 17? Yeah, that's permanent. I'll advise for packaging now.
EMS will respond to Brookwood and Allwood. Meet up with EMS 3 there for another additional transport. Again, EMS will respond. Brookwood and Allwood. Meet up with EMS 3 there on an additional transport. Times 1922.
EMS 1's going.
Received 1923.
Alarm from EMS 3.
EMS 3, got.
We're taking 1 to Joe's. You alert them we're coming in with a head trauma.
Alright, received.
To EMS 3. Do you want to get an ALS from Joe's Beach en route? You can try. We'll be coming down Broads at 19.
Okay.
And if you want to let them know it's a weak pulse right now.
Fire alarm from engine 5. Start PS electric, please.
EMS 3 from ALS 103. We just spoke with MyCom. They don't have a ALS unit for you, but they're also going to notify St. Charles as well, just in case. Very easy.
EMS 1 on scene.
Fire alarm from engine 5. I'm also going to need a representative from the building for damage to the structure.
Alarm to engine 5.
Go to engine 5.
Yeah, I believe I got that transmission. He needs the building department there.
That's affirmative.
All right, receive.
EMS 3 Zetros.
All right, received EMS 3 1931. Alarm to engine 5.
Go to engine 5.
Building department's responding. Be there shortly.
Where is it? And you did get PS electric, right?
All right, we'll give them a call. Alarm to engine 5.
Engine 5.
PS is looking for an actual address.
Allwood Road. Did you get that? It was 820 Allwood Road.
I got it.
EMS 182. Chief, are you still on scene? All right, receive.
EMS 1, you trying to reach us?
Negative.
Receive.
Fire alarm from EMS 1.
EMS 1, get.
Taking 1 to Mountainside.
All right, 1945.
EMS 1 arriving Mountainside.
Received EMS 1 1957.